Party Gabriela has filed a bill that seeks to strictly prohibit waste dumping in the country. The bill filed by Gabriela Representative Luz Viminda Ilagan also seeks to strengthen the country's toxic waste management. The measure amends the Toxic Substances and Hazardous and Nuclear Waste Control Act of 1990. Ilagan noted that the Philippines is now among the favorite destinations of toxic and hazardous waste from countries like the United States, Australia, Canada, and Japan.
Binabawalan na natin ang pagtapon ng mga toxic waste at kung ano pang mga basura mula dun sa mga malalaking bansa sa labas. Ginagawa kasi ang Pilipinas na basurahan. And this global dumping of waste, we call it garbage imperialism, na tayo ang tinatambakan ay nakakabahala at nakikita natin na dapat talaga baguhin yung ating mga batas.
Lalong hindi tayo sasantuhin, hindi tayo rerespetuhin ng ibang bansa. This is a glaring example of violation of our sovereignty ng ating bansa na ginagawa tayong basurahan